Good morning. This morning we're going to make a sunrise smoothie. Nice way to start the day. And I'm going to start by using my Ninja, and we're going to whip up some nice fruits and vegetables, and we're going to have a superfood smoothie. Let me show you the ingredients up close. Okay, we're going to build this smoothie in layers. And I'm using some frozen fruit to make it nice and cold, nice chilled, thick smoothie. So I have a couple bananas, an orange, a carrot. We also have some frozen mango chunks, some pineapple chunks, some sliced peaches, and some whole strawberries. Now you could cut your own fruit and freeze it ahead of time. I'm using these convenience bags of frozen fruit chunks just to show you how you can do it real quick. And if you keep a bag of frozen fruit in the freezer, you can just take out a few chunks every once in a while and you can make a smoothie in no time at all. Okay, the Ninja is one of my favorite tools in the kitchen, and the reason why is because it makes such a beautiful, nice smoothie. Okay, let me show you how we get started. Okay, the first layer of the smoothie is going to be yellow. So I'm going to use banana chunks. Now, I took my bananas and I froze some ahead of time. So you can use one large banana, or these are kind of small. But these are already frozen, so they'll help make the drink thicker. So I'm taking my smoothie container, just chunk up the bananas a little bit so they spin real fast. We're going to add to this about a 1/4 cup of pineapple chunks. You can cut your own pineapple, or you can use pineapple chunks in the can and freeze them so you get a little frosty piece of fruit. But I buy the golden chunks from Dole frozen, and I'm just going to add a few of those. We want to be about a 1/4 cup, and that's going to make our yellow layer. Now you can keep that bag handy in the freezer, and anytime you want to throw one of these together, you can put it together pretty quickly. Now I'm just going to pour a little bit of water into this container, not a lot. Just enough to start spinning the fruit around and getting it to chop quickly. Alright, let's get it on the Ninja base. When it looks nice and smooth, we're going to pour that into the glass. And now I have 2 nice glasses that I want to use because this will make a beautiful sunrise when we get this finished. Alright, now look how nice and thick and creamy. Alright, let's start pouring. Alright, since this is making 2 servings, try to make them pretty even so they look alike when you're finished. So a nice part of that is banana pineapple smoothie. Now we're going to work right with this container because all the colors will start to blend together a little bit like a beautiful sunrise. The next layer is strawberries and peaches. So we're going to use about a 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. You know, you can adjust this based on the size of the glass you want to use, but this is an average smoothie size. So we have about a half a cup in there. And this is going to be the reddest part of your smoothie, so if you want more redness in your Sunrise, just add more strawberries. Alright, next is the peaches. And here we're adding from a quarter cup to a half a cup of peaches. What I try to judge how much fruit's in there by the maximum fill line on the container for the little Ninja here. Again, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of water here just to get the fruit spinning around. Get the blades back on and start pulsing. Okay, that looks pretty smooth. So let's pour the second layer. All right. Now, doesn't that look nice and creamy? All right, let's get the second layer in here. I'm going to leave room for the third. Now use your spatula to level out that Sunrise. Make sure the red is getting down to the yellow layer nicely, that it didn't just drop into the middle. Okay, for the last orange layer, I have a carrot. I peeled part of the carrot and I'm just using a carrot peeler. I'm just going to use the carrot peeler to put some shreds in here. Carrot is the hardest thing to grind up real quickly like this, but we're going to include it and have it be almost unnoticeable by putting thin strips in. So that gives us some extra nutrients, vitamins and minerals, and with a reasonable amount of calories. So it's delicious also. Okay. Then we're going to take an orange, and I'm just going to take some of the inside of the orange. Okay, I cut the skin off the orange, put some chunks in here. These are not frozen, same as the carrots, but we are going to use frozen mango chunks to cool this part of the, to cool this part down and make it thick. And we need about a quarter cup of mango. Now we don't have a lot of room left in the top of the smoothie glass, so I'm going to use a little less fruit this time. Alright, let's chop this up. Okay, nice and smooth. To this morning. Pour it in nice and slowly so you still keep your colors on the sides. The Sunrise smoothies are packed with nutrients and superfoods. You know, there's a lot of superfoods around your kitchen probably that you don't even think about. Things like apples and avocados and bananas and berries, citrus, even kale, mangoes, nuts. Even if you use lettuce, romaine lettuce, or spinach, these are all common superfoods which can be blended into smoothies, and you don't always notice all the vegetables and fruits in there, but they're packed with nutrition. And these all help our immune system and help us with healing and being healthy. So let's see here, let's add a nice straw, and then we can get the smoothie in layers as far as taste and texture. Isn't this a great way to start your day with a superfood smoothie named after my sister Dawn, the Sunrise? Enjoy your smoothie. I'm sure you'll love it. Okay, let's taste this. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and thick, and you can taste all the flavors in all the layers. Hope you can start your day like this also.